I'm Dave Isaacson with Blast One. I'm a service tech for him. Today what we're going to do is a comparison between Garnets. One of them is going to be Barton 3060. The other one is going to be GMA GX2. Perfect. All right, so what we're going to do now is our first one. We're going to put one bag in our 6.5 pot of Barton 3060. I want to show them it. There's 55 pounds. So right now you can see it's pretty dusty. And then also what we're going to do is we're going to run this media the same as the GMA media. So next I want you to verify, I'm going to go to 4.5 turns. I'm going to run this valve all the way in. And it is all the way in. And then there'll be 4.5 turns out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4.5. This valve is open, so we're all good to go. We'll be at 104. Okay, our first test we're gonna do is with the 36 and Barton Garnet. We're gonna, each panel, there's 3 panels we're gonna blast. Each panel is 4 square feet. And we're gonna time how long it takes to do these 3 panels. Done right there. We blasted 12 square feet, and we want to see how much time it'll take us to go through a 55-pound bag and approximately how many square feet we're going to done. Since we did our real sample on there so now we're just going to run the bag out and see where we're at. So we're going to start right now. We have approximately 7 minutes in, so we can start. So this is the total time you have blasting then. 9 minutes and 15 seconds, and that's 55-pound bag. What we're going to do is we're going to run GMA Tough Blast. It's also known as GX2. Again, 55-pound bag we're going to load in. And I really want you to watch one thing is when he dumps this, you're not going to see that big splurge of dust. No dust at all.
Some dust around the rim from the previous one.
That's good. And before I energize it, I'm going to go back. We're going to reset the valve so we make sure we have 4.5 turns. So it's You're at 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4.5. It's coming back down just like before. So right now we're at 106. Five minutes, 33 seconds. Another thing I want to look at is how clean this panel is. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to flip it around. If you look, go real close to any of this, you don't see any dark brown marks or anything in here. But if you want to flip it, I'll flip it around. Right here. If you go on here, as you see it, there's little specks all over the place. Here's some more. Here's another. And you won't have any of that with the GMA. So now what we're going to do is we're going to run out the rest of this bag to see how many more square feet we get. Then we can figure out how many square feet or how many pounds per hour we'll use. So we're still at that 533 now. So when he starts back up, we'll start again. $8.12.
All right, thanks, Dave. So we're just going to review the results that we gained out there on the field. For the total time for doing 12 square feet with the Barton was 6 minutes and 58 seconds, which equated to 103 square feet per hour. And with the GMA, we're at 5 minutes and 33 seconds, which was 130 square feet an hour. So a little over 20% increase in production there. That can pay dividends on your project. The total time to run out the 55-pound bag was 9 minutes and 15 seconds with the Barton, which is 357 pounds per hour, and 8 minutes and 12 with the GMA, which was 402 pounds per hour. Even though the bow was set at exactly the same, the GMA does flow through a little bit faster because of the blend. You have the coarse and the fine blend. The coarse is designed to help crack through the coating, and the fine is what helps give you the speed and clean out all those pits so you don't have anything left on the surface, which ultimately resulted in a lower pounds per square foot. If you divide the consumption by the speed, you get 3.1 pounds per square foot versus a 3.46 pounds per square foot. So not only a saving in material, but your biggest saving is in your production. You're going to have more production. Thanks very much.